Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. Let's start analyzing Bitcoin today, and we see of course the price based on our channel here. Let's see the position, where are we, and of course as you can see that the price is still inside the base channel. We didn't broke it yet. This was a fake out, another fake out, double fake out that we saw of course for the price, and that is of course a signal of strength. If you want to think about it for a while here, why the price would get out, getting in again, ranging, trying to get out and getting in again. So that means of course it's a signal of strength here. I would say it couldn't break even below the last week here, and the price is still ranging inside the base channel, and that means of course a signal of strength is showing up here for a potential regular flat that we mentioned of course already as an A, B and a C, of course shallow wave 2 in a bear market here. So this is one of the scenarios that we have to pay attention on it, because if this happens, that means of course that we might come back towards the 100k here, hitting the base channel again, the old base channel, as a wave B, and then pushing again in a wave C, of course, toward the downside as a regular flat, which is, of course, this possibility. Now, of course, regarding this regular flat, of course, you still need some time for it. We're not talking, of course, we're going bullish, of course, tomorrow. So it's going to be, of course, until 2027. But in a regular flat can be, of course, around February 2027. Let's say, of course, around a year from now, you might be, of course, in a bull run again for Bitcoin. Despite this, we might see already a push toward the upside in a wave B here, and then of course a wave 5 waves downward in a wave C, of course, to reach the 0.38, which is minimum requirement anyway for a wave 1-2, especially when you are in a wave 3/3. Yeah, so on the all-time history we are in a 1, 2 and then wave 3, which is a major wave 3 as well. And this is going to be your wave 3/3, and that means of course the wave 2 before a wave 3/3 has to be a shallow wave 2 as per Bitcoin characteristic always. And that means 0.38 is very recommended in this case, of course, and we might see, especially in this technical support area here, something to push towards the upside, towards the 200k and above from there. From the 56 or 52k, I would say, again, is a very key level for us. So yeah, this is a shallow wave 2 as a bear market. As a deep wave 2 in a bear market can be of course possible, but currently I cannot really recommend it, since of course our base channel are not broken. So we need of course this base channel to be broken as a wave 3 here unfolding, and then 4 and a 5 of course to finish a massive wave A here, and then of course wave B later on, and then getting wave C finally, of course, to finish again, of course, in longer time here, of course, than the regular flat, because the regular flat can finish before it. We can finish before the time here can be very likely there. But if it's going to go deep, it might take, of course, longer time here. And it might be, of course, the following box here, starting as well from July, I would say 2027, until we're talking here 2 years, 3 years even. Can be taking long time there in case, of course. But I believe that so far this possibility is out of the box, because yeah, we need to break it again. We need to see further continuation toward the downside. If the price is going to show, of course, more strength, then we have no other option here rather than moving, of course, with the potential WXNY finished over there, and we're looking here at a wave Y finish there, which it can be very likely, by the way, if you compare the ABC here with another ABC. They are very identical as W, X, and a Y, which is perfect. And so I would say it's a perfect scenario. And in case that this is a 1-2 here, well, this is a very large question mark here that we have to, yeah, let me just put this there. This area right now, this pattern formation, well, if this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for a wave 1, well, we have to reconsider, guys. Yeah, so we have to reconsider in case this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So I'm gonna keep it. Nothing to lose if we put it there. knowing that the wave 2 is very long in time, yeah, it's very long, but we, in case that the wave B as regular flat is unfolding, we need it as a 1-2. You know, we need a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to form, of course, the first wave A of the regular flat wave B. Therefore, yeah, this can be an ABC, or it can be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, currently, the price for Bitcoin did not reach the high even, knowing that we have double 1, 2. Yeah. Now, this double 1, 2, of course, you have to be careful because you can be already in a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 finished impulse there. And we might, of course, had a truncation here, meaning we failed to take the high as an A, B, and a C here, which is, yeah, a little bit also question mark, especially after a very long sideways correction yesterday. I mentioned why we need a long correction again. Yeah, since you have shallow wave 2 in time, why we need all this time for wave 4? Plus, the wave 4 took the 0.618, which is a question mark again. This was my daily close yesterday again. So we gotta be careful still. I mean, the price here on the micro level still show a little bit of weakness, unless of course we are in a formation for something as 1-2s there. But yeah, today is also opening in red somehow, this 1 hour candle. So we'll see, guys. We'll see. I mean, be careful. I don't trust it. Yesterday I mentioned I don't trust it so much, despite that it looks like 3 ways. I still don't trust it because of the timing regarding those wave 2 plus a very deep fib level. Yeah, despite that the invalidation was not taken, but you still doubt it. Yeah, I still doubt it, and I don't see. Yeah, I don't see so much. I would say like it should have exploded. Yeah, I don't see so much momentum. Yeah, so we'll see how this is gonna unfold today, but I would say after 3 ways corrective here, well, it should continue for higher, but why we still see this? Yeah, so this is a question mark as well. So we gotta be careful with it. 15-minute chart as well. I mean, yeah, this is definitely nothing impulsive there, and we still potentially here. Yeah, it's still ranging, guys. It's still ranging correctively. This is nothing bullish, honestly. All of it, the whole pattern is not bullish. So we gotta be careful. Okay, so be careful from the truncation. That is also a very big trap. If this happens, it's a huge trap because you finish an impulse, very, very fast impulse, and the wave 3 was short, not shorter than wave 1. So that's a perfect impulse. ABC truncation, and then double 1, 2. So what's going on in Bitcoin? Yeah, so we'll see. We're gonna watch again. Unfortunately, we're back to this price decision. Yeah, so this is my idea today. I think yes, we still, of course, without decision after this. Yesterday or before yesterday, it was perfect. Like, wow, we're pushing again inside the base channel impulsively and so on. But after it, the market is really, really, how to say, very reversible lately. Yeah, so we gotta be careful. One day it is very, very bullish. The next day it is very, very bearish. And today it looks very, very bearish, honestly. And it looks like it's aiming again towards the base channel to exit it. So yeah, we gotta be careful again, guys. This area, we still, of course, without a decision, we still need a clear decision. We'll see what's gonna happen. Now, potential scenario, also be careful. It can be a 1-2. So what if we have finished 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for a wave 1 here rather than a finished wave C? It can be 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5. So that is also a possibility. You know what? I'm gonna keep it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna remove all of this. I'm not gonna wait anymore for double 1, 2. Therefore, I don't trust it anymore. It's out of the scenario. Higher possibility in case of bullish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, guys. Okay. So this is exactly what I'm gonna test right now. Meaning, I'm gonna remove all this invalidation. It's already invalidated by shape anyway, and by time. So wave 2 as an impulse. Here we go. So yeah, I'm gonna watch this wave 2 here. We'll see, of course, what's going to happen. I think this is what it might be the case there, that it is looking again for this area within the base channel again, and then pushing for higher. So this is exactly what I would like to watch. Yep. So this is regarding Bitcoin. Let's see in the intraday if this is going to happen. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.